the Investment Company Act, qualifying venture capital funds qualify for certain exemptions from registration. On August 21, 2024, the SEC updated the dollar threshold for a fund to qualify as a qualifying venture capital fund. Previously, for a fund to be considered a qualifying venture capital fund and therefore excluded from the Investment Company Act's definition of investment company, the fund had to have $10 million or less in aggregate capital contributions and uncalled committed capital. Now, the SEC has increased that threshold to $12 million to account for inflation. This increase provides venture capital funds with greater flexibility to operate without being subject to the regulatory burden of the Investment Company Act. The adjustment acknowledges the growth in capital needed to fund investments in startups and early-stage companies. Beyond this change, the rule also established a mechanism for the SEC to make further adjustments and account for inflation every 5 years. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future updates.